Here, let me put it out the fucking window.
We are pulling up to his...
Holy fuck.
Dude, it's
moving.
yeah. Holy shit, it is enormous. There's so motherfucking bone.
It's getting so dark.
There.
Oh my god.
Get over, get over.
Open your window.
Get over and roll the windows up.
Holy shit! Get over, quick. Get in this parking lot.
Easy. I can't drive.
Holy shit, fuck. It's coming through right now.
Get me under something.
Get under that fucking red thing right there. We're getting out. We're getting out in this. Holy fuck. That tree is like blown over.
Ew.
Just straight dust. I don't want your door to break.
Close the door.
Fuck. Oh my god. Amazing. Right there. Look how dark it just got. It's daytime. Lights are turned off and shit. Big. Bro, look at your car. Look how dirty that shit is. Oh, it ain't that. Oh, it will be. Oh my. Dude, look at the road. Here.
Is it recording?
Yeah. It was daytime 5 minutes ago.
Like, holy fuck. Hey, this is sick, huh?
I've never been in one of these before.
Babe, it'll pass, trust me. These things will last like 30 minutes. It'll be so funny. I promise.
Careful, some of them might turn in.
This is awesome. But babe, just look at this.